In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build with the Notion API. If you've ever wanted to enhance your experience with Notion by integrating or creating an app with its powerful API, you're in the right place. We'll walk through the process in a straightforward manner, ensuring you're up and running in just a few minutes. To begin, you'll want to navigate to your Notion workspace. Simply open up your web browser and head over to the Notion website. If you're not already familiar with Notion, it's an all-in-one workspace where you can write, plan, and collaborate. It's essential to have an account, so if you haven't created one yet, I highly recommend it. Once you've arrived at the Notion homepage, the next step is to log in. You should see a login button located prominently on the page. Click on it and enter your credentials to access your workspace. If you occasionally use Google to log in, there's a convenient option for that as well. Once logged in, you'll find yourself directed to the Notion homepage, which serves as your launchpad for managing all your projects, documents, and more. Now, let's dive into the settings. You will find a settings gear icon typically on the sidebar. Clicking this will open the settings menu. This is where we start to configure our API connections. Next, locate and click on the Connections tab within the settings. This area is crucial as it manages all your existing integrations and new ones you want to establish. The following step takes you deeper into integration capabilities. Once inside the Connections tab, you'll need to click on Develop or Manage Integrations, which will further guide us towards our API setup. Once you've hit the relevant link, you will see the Integrations section. Here, you manage any current connections and set up new ones for a seamless workflow. Now, to create a new integration, look for and click the New Integration button. This is the point where integration setups take shape. You'll be able to name your integration and choose the workspace it should be associated with. Make sure you pay close attention to the settings here, since they define your application's ability to access and modify different aspects of your Notion environment. As you can see, setting up your API is quite straightforward. Once these steps are complete, your new integration should be activated, and you can start exploring Notion's API capabilities to enhance your workspace functions. With these connections in place, you can leverage APIs to automate tasks, pull data, or connect with other applications effortlessly. Remember, the key to success with APIs is experimentation and exploration. So don't hesitate to dive in and see what else you might be able to do with your newfound capabilities in Notion. Thank you for joining me today, and happy building with your Notion API.